Hey guys, this is my stock Renegade 800. It's 2015. Let's talk about the Outlaw 2s. So these are 29.5 Outlaw 2s on a stock Renegade. There was a clearance issue here. You can see that I trimmed it down. I did use a Dremel tool. But now I have pretty good clearance here on both sides. See, I could fit more than my finger in there. I'll show you a picture of how it was before. It pretty much touched the lug. So I definitely had to trim it down. And I ran them a few times, and I mean, they run pretty good. No issues, no rubbing, no hitting. So, yep, there you go.